Solving systems by graphing. Alright, so last year we looked at systems of linear equations, but we didn't go too deep into them. So a system of linear equations is just two or more linear equations. Okay, and those linear equations do need to have two or more variables. Okay, a solution to the system of linear equation is going to be a solution that fits not just one of those equations, but all of them. Okay, on a graph, that's going to be where all those lines intersect with each other. Okay, generally, again, a solution is just going to be two lines, so it'll be where those two lines intersect. All right. So when we're trying to identify if an ordered pair is a solution to a system of linear equations, and sometimes we just call it a system. So if we're trying to figure out if this -6, -17 is a solution to these two and both of these two equations, all we're going to do is we're going to plug it in. Okay, we're going to say we have y equals 2x minus 5. And I didn't leave myself a lot of room here, but we'll come over here. And I'll put in -17 for y equals 2 times -6 minus 5. 2 times -6 is -12. Minus 5 is going to be -17. So it looks like -6, -17 is a solution for my first equation. Now I've got to check my second one. I've got my x, -6, minus my y, -17, is equal to 11. I've got a -17, so I'm going to have -6 plus 17 equals 11. Or 17 minus 6, which should be 11. And so it looks like this ordered pair is a solution to both of these equations, so it is a solution to the whole system. Okay. Generally, you're just going to be checking to see if the ordered pair is a solution. If you check it against the first one, and it's not, you're done, right? Doesn't matter if it's a solution to one of them. If it's not a solution to all of them, it's not a solution to the system. Okay. So if I'm looking at this one, 2 and -6, I'll plug it in. I have -6 plus 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So this should be 6. And this should be -6 or +6. 6 plus 6 equals 6. Well, that is not true. So already I can tell that this is not a solution to both linear equations, so it's not a solution to the system. And I don't even have to check for that second one. I can tell it's not going to be a solution.